and welcome to the pit lane here at the iconic Silverstone circuit, where this weekend the Quick Fit British Touring Car Championship takes to the track. We've got lots in store for you today as we go from pre-race prep to trackside and see how build rugged tech company Getac are helping the teams and scrutineers stay connected via live video. We'll be looking at how Cosworth is able to update its teams in real time and taking a rare and exclusive view behind the scenes at West Surrey Racing to see how Getac devices help the teams work smarter. And we're going to find out how BTCC Technical Chief Sam Riches and the scrutineers communicate with the teams across the weekend. So stay tuned. Across the weekend, manufacturers like Cosworth help the teams to run and maintain their race spec engines. To find out more about this essential task and the role that Getac plays in making it happen, let's head to Cosworth's trackside facility.
Cosworth provides support to the BTCC for all the electronic systems in the car. So the ECU, power control module, data logger, the full hybrid system, all the vehicle wiring. With such a lot of responsibility and the limited resources that we have, we need to be able to work efficiently and get through each individual issue as fast as possible. Typical race weekend is difficult. We're trying to see all 27 cars provide the same level of support to everybody. The Getac video platform really helps us with that because I can stay here with the technical knowledge and I can send out our engineers to each car and I can see and feel what the problems are. BTCC is normally split 1 second between first and 22nd position, so small details do matter and we need every team to be on track, working correctly. The Getac platform allows us to be able to do that.
Across the race weekend, the engineers and mechanics are prepping the cars and refining their setups. These Getac devices give them the speed and efficiency they need here at the track. But they're also now using Getac's Video Solutions platform to enable them to work together remotely in real time. To find out more, we sent our cameras to one of the sport's leading outfits, West Surrey Racing.
We've been using the Getac tablets for a number of years now. They're really embedded in what we do. We're now also using the video solutions. That's a great way for me to keep in contact with not just our suppliers, but also our engineering team. When it comes to the parts on the car that are very bespoke to our application. We use 3D printing. Our CAD designers aren't always on site. The video solution is a great way for us to show them the 3D part on the car. They can design, adapt, make the relevant changes within a couple of hours really, and then get that part sent off to our supplier and I can have it delivered the very next day if need be. Prior to each event, we put our car on the setup patch. Our engineers can't always be on site for that process. The video solution is a great way for us to keep the engineer involved in that conversation and involved in that process as if they were in the workshop with us. We're getting ready for Silverstone now. BTCC is a really competitive championship. It's going to be a very busy weekend, but Getac solutions really help us make it that little bit easier so we can concentrate on the racing.
Across the race weekend, every single car on track is scrutinised by Sam Riches and his team to ensure that they meet the technical regulations. To see how they ensure the cars meet the right standards using Getac's devices and video solutions, let's take a look.
Toka Technical is an element of the British Touring Car Championship. We are here to ensure the fair and equal application of the technical rules and the safety of all the vehicles over the race weekend. We started this partnership 4 or 5 years ago with the introduction of the devices, and we've taken on the garage management system with the vehicle records and health checks, and then we've moved on to the video solution this year, and that allows us to take various levels of trained personnel and deploy them where they need to be. The lovely vehicle behind us houses all of our technical experts, everybody from Cosworth to my scrutineering colleagues. They have resources available to them in here that they don't have when they go and visit a garage or visit a car on track. We've got 27 cars here today. We need those people available to do it as efficiently as possible. So if we can spread our resources out in a more efficient way while still giving them access to somebody who can give them the answers or can guide them in any questions they've got, is fantastic, and it improves the championship experience for all.
So as we've seen this year and across the past 4 years of the partnership, Getac devices and solutions are integral to pretty much every part of the British Touring Car Championship. But what happens when the devices go from racetrack to a commercial workshop?
What we see here is no different to what we see across the world in service and repair organisations. They've moved from a very manual, paper-based process into a digital environment. When things go wrong, they need to be addressed and supported in real time. Now we've got the ability through our camera technology and our rugged computing to allow the experts to dial into technicians when they most need the help. For us, it's asking ourselves the questions about what will make the difference within the industry, within motorsports, how we can use the technology that we design from the ground up and the innovation that comes around by learning and listening to our customers. And we'll translate that into solutions, workable solutions that allow them to be more productive, more efficient, and in the racing terms, ultimately come over the checkered line in first place.
So that's it for Getac at the British Touring Car Championship for 2023. The teams are prepped, the scrutineers have done their checks, and the cars are hitting the track. The 2023 title will soon be decided with Getac alongside every step of the way. That's it for us for now. See you next year.